Mastering the sailing lingo. Understanding to leeward. Hello, everyone. Today, we're setting sail on the sea of language, exploring the term to leeward. This phrase is a gem from the nautical world that has made its way into everyday English. Whether you're a fan of sailing, love learning new expressions, or just want to polish your English skills, you're in the right place. So, let's navigate through the meaning of to leeward and use it correctly to keep your English as sharp as a captain's wit. To leeward is a nautical term that refers to the direction that is away from the wind. In sailing, knowing where the wind is coming from is crucial, as it affects the movement of the vessel. The term leeward is used to describe the side of the ship that is sheltered from the wind, which is the opposite of windward, the side facing into the wind. When sailors say they're moving to leeward, they mean they are moving towards the side of the boat or area that is downwind. In a broader sense, to leeward can also mean moving in a direction where the wind is at your back in any scenario, not just at sea. Now that we understand what to leeward means, let's see how to use it. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, the captain ordered us to move the cargo to leeward to balance the ship. Metaphorically, in times of crisis, it's wise to steer your investments to leeward, where they're less likely to be affected by economic winds. Remember, when you're using to leeward in conversation, it often involves a situation where someone or something is being moved to a safer or less exposed position. Understanding the origin of to leeward can help us better grasp its usage. The term comes from the Old Dutch word lee, meaning shelter. Over time, lee combined with ward, which means direction, to create leeward, indicating the direction sheltered from the wind. It's interesting to note that leeward and windward are part of a set of maritime terms that have been adopted into general English vocabulary due to their usefulness in describing direction and position relative to the wind, which is a powerful natural force. I hope this video has given you clear insights into the phrase to leeward and added a new element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is like sailing. It's all about progress and navigation. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be conversing with the confidence of a seasoned sailor. Fair winds and following seas to your language journey. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, take care.